In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Workspace accounts. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Firstly, you need to head over to the Google Workspace website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see an array of Google's productivity tools and services. The next thing you want to do is locate the admin console. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace account. You can usually find the admin console button once you've logged into your Google Workspace account. It's typically accessible from the main page or from a drop-down menu if you're navigating directly from your Gmail or another Google service. Now that you're in the admin console, your next step is to navigate to the Google Workspace dashboard. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your account status and various settings. It's where you'll be able to manage and configure your account details. Once in the dashboard, you should spot an option for account. Clicking on this will guide you towards account-specific settings. Next, proceed to account settings. These settings will allow you to make adjustments to your account's configurations and preferences. Beneath the account settings, you'll find account management. Here is where the process of deleting your Google Workspace account starts to take shape. It's important to review any final details or settings before proceeding to ensure that nothing important is overlooked. Finally, within the account management section, there will be a delete account option. Clicking on this is the final step. However, before confirming the deletion, make sure that you have backed up any necessary data, as this action cannot be undone. Deleting the account will permanently remove your access to all services associated with Google Workspace, so it's crucial to double check that it's the right decision for you or your organization. And that's it. If you followed all these steps, you've successfully deleted your Google Workspace account. Remember, it's always a good idea to go through all your data and settings one last time to ensure you haven't left anything behind. If at any point you feel unsure, don't hesitate to pause the process and review any documentation or support material available. With this guide, managing your Google Workspace accounts should be that much simpler. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this information useful. Remember, managing your digital tools efficiently can greatly impact your productivity, so stay proactive and informed.